Welcome to another Esteem Construction's home renovation extension project. The house what you see behind me unfortunately got fire damage in the master bedroom upstairs, and due to which the roof ceiling got opened. And part of the process was that we had to apply for a council approval, and in the end, once we get the OC, it's all good for the insurance, and then the client has a peace of mind. I'll take you through from the inside and we'll check this one out. We also replaced this front entry door with a new hinge door with a digital lock. This is the media room, and as you can see, we have installed some internal speakers in the ceiling, left a power point for the new projector. Now here what you see behind me is the new wider entry what we have done as part of the renovations. And if you come here for the new lights, new entry to the back on the rear side for going on the future al fresco area. We had to replace the stairs because they were exposed to the weather and fire damage. So we did the new balustrade, new risers, and the new chandelier on the top as well as part of the feature. We're in the master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom and walk-in robe over there. What you can see here, we have done her wall-hung vanity with the LED mirror on the top, back-to-wall toilet, frameless shower screen with the brushed nickel finish fittings, and the niches inside, and of course floor-to-ceiling high tiles. Here we're looking at the walk-in robe, and one of the unique thing what we do with the walk-in robe is often we'll do a bottom shelf as well, so it gives more storage space to the clients. This on my left is a common bathroom, a new common bathroom. Previously it was with a separate toilet and a bathtub and then the shower area. So we have divided this one into two bathrooms. Also have a skylight which provides a clear view to the sky. Now here on my left there is another bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, which was originally the part of the previously common bathroom. Now because we separated into two, so what you see here is a secondary ensuite bathroom with again back-to-wall toilet, wall-hung vanities, LED mirror, and double sliding shower screen. Now what you see here, this is upstairs rumpus area, and what we have done here, a cabinet with the pantries on both sides. We also replaced the stacker door. Previously what they had was 4-panel sliding door, so which means one panel will open to the right, other one will open to the left. But now with the stacker door, they have 2/3 open and 1/3 will remain closed. So if you have a similar project where you're looking for the home renovations or extension or some structural alterations, even including the council approval, feel free to give us a call. We'll get in contact with us and we should be able to help you out.